Hey everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you some things that I do to make my jeans just a little bit more feminine. Jeans in themselves are not the most feminine piece, but everything else that you do to complete your outfit can really transform your outfit into a really pretty feminine look. One of you left a really sweet comment on a video, and I thought that this was such a great topic to cover just since I love going all out feminine and girly. So I prefer to use the high-waisted jeans just because I feel like it's the most flattering for my body shape. It just adds so much length to my legs, and I also like to cuff up the jeans to make it a little bit more delicate, but just use whatever pair of jeans works best for you. And if you use anything that I share in this video, it will just instantly transform your outfit into the most whimsical feminine look. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe if you are interested in seeing more romantic fashion and styling videos from me. I have a new video for you every Monday and Friday. And as always, I'm going to leave everything linked down in my description box just in case you see something that might interest you or that you would like to get your hands on. One of my favorite and easiest ways to make my jeans look feminine is by pairing them with a romantic styled top. I'm going to give you a few examples of the romantic style tops and then also just show you examples of items that I have in my closet and just show you how I pair them with my jeans. So first I've got the bell sleeve blouse as an example. It's both flattering and unique. It's such a statement. The bell shape is going to add the length to your outfit, so that's going to make it a little bit more elegant, and then you have the jeans that make it a little bit more simple. So you have those two contrasting pieces that really just call for a very balanced look. So I went for extra length by pairing this white bell sleeve blouse with a pair of high-waisted jeans. These flare jeans are my go-to. I got them from Free People, actually from a Nordstrom Trunk Club box, but I live in these. I absolutely love them, and they're so flattering, especially with the high waist. I just feel like it's such a unique statement outfit just because of all the extra flair and material that you have in this outfit. There's so much elegance thrown in, but it's still very feminine, especially with that white top and the little bow on the sleeve. Another romantic style top that's really going to add that feminine touch to your jeans would be a puffy sleeved top. So whether you have a short sleeve or long puff sleeved blouse, it doesn't matter. That Victorian silhouette is just instantly going to transform your jeans into a more girly look. I think the puff sleeve just looks beautiful on everybody. It is such an elegant touch, but I have so many of this top in my closet just because it's such a favorite of mine. I pulled a cream puff sleeved top from my closet just to give a more dramatic example, and I paired them with my favorite jeans from ASOS. The two just really complement each other, especially with that high waist and more of the crop style. I love the contrast of the dramatic puffy sleeve and then just the boyish jeans. They just really contrast really well with each other and just go for a really nice balanced look. Finding a lace top in your closet and pairing it with those jeans is really going to instantly make your outfit more feminine. So that lace fabric is really going to transform your jeans into that romantic style and just make it appear more sophisticated. And with lace, you can pair camis underneath it, layer it up with jackets and coats just to make it the right outfit for you. So I paired this black lace top that I got from Lulu's with these curvy jeans from American Eagle, and the lace just adds that feminine touch to the outfit. It just instantly makes it romantic. I can easily build up this look too. I can build up the layers depending on the weather if I needed to add jackets and sweaters. If you have a pair of jeans and you just want a very girly look from it, go for a bow top. Adding a bow top, whether it's one that ties around your neck or it just comes attached to the blouse in the front, it will make you look so sweet and cute in those jeans. So this top is a classic version of the bow top, and I paired it with my go-to curvy American Eagle jeans, and this top just effortlessly gives the outfit a feminine look. The last example of a romantic style top that I like to use to just really dress up my jeans is by pairing them with a colorful cardigan or a blazer, or even jackets and coats that just kind of show off a more feminine touch to your jeans. It adds texture and depth to your outfit, and if you layer it up with another romantic style top, you can really go all out with a very feminine styled outfit. I layered this soft pink blazer on top of my bow top to get the most of this feminine outfit, and especially since a blazer can make it appear more like a work outfit, the extravagant bow is just making sure that I have enough of a balance to keep the outfit looking feminine. Something else that I like to do to really just get the most of my jeans and make them as feminine as possible is by going for like feminine and romantic color palettes and patterns. So a romantic styled color palette would include pastels, including soft shades of pink, orange, blue, yellow. Any of those pastel shades is really going to just add a more whimsical, feminine appearance to your jeans. So I took this soft blue sweater with floral embroidery on the sleeves, and it also does kind of have that bell sleeve as well. And I paired it with my American Eagle jeans, and then I tucked the sweater into my high-waisted jeans just to keep that feminine silhouette. Going for neutrals is another way to go for that romantic style color palette in order to get the feminine look. So for example, I took this beige crop sweater and I paired it with one of my favorite pair of jeans and got a simple but feminine look with that high waist and neutral color. So if you aren't sure or you want to get the easiest way possible to get a feminine look, go for all white. For you, this might mean going for a pair of white jeans, or if you don't have white jeans, just taking a white top and pairing it with your favorite pair of blue jeans. It works really well with bell-shaped blouses and the puffy sleeves if you want to go all out. I paired my one and only favorite white jeans from Madewell with this classic vintage styled white blouse, and then I topped off the look with my white slip-on shoes. One of the easiest ways to make your jeans more feminine and girly is just wear pink with your jeans. And the softer the shade of pink that you go for, the more romantic feel that you're going to get from your outfit. But I paired this bolder pink color with my jeans to get just a classic rosy toned look. The romantic pattern that will just easily make your jeans more feminine and flirty is by pairing your jeans with floral patterns. Whether it's in a top or accessory, a coat, adding in any type of floral print is just going to make it more flirtatious. The large floral prints can really bring in more of a glam statement and just bring more drama and a dressy look to your jeans. The small ditzy florals can make your denim a little bit more girly and soft. So I paired this pink floral top with my jeans just to get a little bit of a softer feminine look, and it's actually the one that I'm wearing right now. So those are the main things that I do just to really pull that very romantic feel for my jeans. But there are a couple more things that I do that I feel like really do make a difference. I also wanted to mention that I wear those heels. Adding a pair of nude heels or black heels can really just make those jeans look a little bit more dressy. Depending on the heel that you go for is what's going to make it more wearable, but that is all going to depend on what you prefer. But just adding a small heel in there is really going to make a difference. The last thing that I wanted to mention that I do keep an eye out for and that I like to include into my closet just to get the most of the feminine style is to keep an eye out for custom jeans. I love the embroidered flower jeans like this pair from Driftwood, but you could go for jeans with the pearls on them, or they even have jeans with sequins. There's also the option for pink jeans. I have this pair of pastel pink jeans from Lee. They're in more of that like pastel tie-dye, but it does have the pink in there. If you really wanted to go as feminine as possible with your outfit, going for a custom pair of pink jeans is an easy way to get the all-out feminine look. But that is everything that I could think of at the moment that I feel like I really do to get the most feminine look for my jeans. So I hope this was helpful for you. Give me a thumbs up on this video if it was, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.